So I had to shut the phone off. I had a call. So I got it spun around to where I could work on it. Get to it. So we're almost there. I just can't get the bar in there. Sometimes you can hit them on. I don't know if we're that close yet. Get my scripts out of the way. Get my wife's car. Not there yet. Get another bite on it somewhere. I just can't get in there. All the way in off that. There's an outer ridge here. You gotta work it around. Can't get it. There. Got it. So now, this is the exciting part. Now we gotta set the bead. So I struggled with it last time. I'm not gonna struggle with it this time. I'm gonna fill it full of starting fluid. I'm gonna light it. You watch.